which subject you find most difficult today?
Maths.
Maths was lengthy.
I don't like math.
Yeah, definite integration. Every topic is difficult.
We can see that mathematics is quite lengthy. Questions came from school.
Everything is easy.
Physics, I think it was easy. I attempted all.
It is easy and logical.
Preparation was not that good.
I didn't cry anywhere.
Today very difficult.
Chemistry. Previous questions were repeated.
यहाँ पे बहुत लोग आंसर नहीं करना चाहते पर ठीक है. Hello guys, welcome to Goal One. I am your host Kunal and today we are at the last day of the JEE Mains January session. So today we are in front of TCS and Mola Ali Digital Center. So today we will be having a great insights from the students. From the past few days we have seen that mathematics was dominating a lot. But yesterday was a twist. That physics was dominating and rest mathematics and chemistry was a moderate one. So today we'll be having a fun chit chat with the students. We'll ask them how was the session. We'll not pressurize them so much. We'll have a one-to-one interactions and at the end of the session we'll have a surprise for the students as well as to all our viewers of Goal J. देख सकते हो ये ग्रीन कलर का गेट, यहीं से हमारे बच्चे निकलने वाले हैं जो आज के हमारे लास्ट सेशन का पहला शिफ्ट दे के निकलेंगे. Did you give the exam today?
Yeah.
How was the exam today?
Easy. Paper is easy.
Paper was easy.
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you like to rate the paper?
Fine. Very good.
It was very good.
Yeah.
Okay, how much marks you are expecting from this exam?
Above 100.
Above 100. That's nice. Like if you see in the mathematics, physics and chemistry, which
Yeah. Mathematics is lengthy.
mathematics was lengthy,
Yeah.
which type of questions were more dominating?
All the chapters are having, but all the chapters from one chapter, one person.
Okay, any specific topic did you remember like which made you cry?
Yeah. Definite integration.
Definite integration. Okay, that's fine. How was the exam today?
Very bad.
Very bad?
Yeah.
Okay, which topic did you find very difficult?
Max.
Maths. Any specific questions that was very tough to do?
Almost all are very difficult.
Okay, are you preparing for MSET also?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you find what is the more difficult, MSET or JEE Mains?
Maybe JEE Mains only.
Okay. Do you know how many questions are going to come in mathematics in MSET?
80 questions.
Huh?
80 questions.
Okay, 80 questions. How is the preparation for MSET and all the other exams?
First we did concentrate only in JEE Mains.
Okay.
Later on, after IB exam, we will concentrate on MCET exams.
Okay. That's very nice. I have a surprise for you. We are providing free mentorship session to all the students. So we are guiding them for MSET as well as VIT, EEE as well as BITSET and all the exams so that they can, it is a completely free mentorship till June. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you like to rate today's exam?
Maybe 6 or 7.
Okay, on mathematics, physics and chemistry, which was more difficult?
Actually,
Yes?
for me, maths was difficult actually.
Okay, maths.
I was
in
poor
maths.
in maths.
Okay.
I was actually poor in maths.
Which topic you find most difficult in maths?
Mostly, I felt all
Okay.
everything in maths. I don't like maths.
Okay, for today's exam, how much percentage you were prepared? If you would like to say.
Actually, 60.
Okay, like what changes would you like to make in the upcoming exam of April session or MSET?
I would like to prepare more conceptual.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, I have a surprise for you. We are providing free mentorship session for all the students till June. So we are guiding for JEE Mains 2 as well as BITSET and VTU EEE. So you can reach out through this card. This is a free mentorship card. You can reach us out and you can access to all the benefits. Okay. On an average of scale of 1 to 10, how do you like to rate today's exam?
Average.
Average, like any number, specific number.
Average.
Okay, which subject you find most difficult today?
Max.
Any specific topic in maths?
Max all.
Maths all, okay. So I have a surprise for you. We are providing free mentorship session for all the exams like JEE Mains, MSET as well as BITS exam also. So you can take this card. This is a free mentorship session for you. You can reach us anytime. It's completely free. Okay. Thank you very much. All the best. It was good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you like to rate today's exam?
Maybe 6.
Okay, 6. How was the preparation today? Like on a scale of 1 to 10?
Preparation was not that good.
Okay. So what changes would you like to make in the next session, upcoming JEE Main session?
Maybe use tricks in spite of doing many questions.
In spite of doing?
Many questions, use few tricks which can help out.
Okay, okay. If you see the PYQs, you have seen all the other shift papers. Were there any common questions? Or common
Few.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Are you preparing for MSET?
Maybe not sure.
Okay, any other exams are you giving?
Maybe any entrance exam which is related to BTech kind of.
Okay, okay, fine. That's good.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Excuse me, how was the exam today?
Good.
It was good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you like to rate today's exam?
8.
8, okay, thank you. Excuse me, how was the exam today?
It was good.
It was good. How was the difficulty level of the paper?
Medium.
Medium, okay, thank you. Okay, how was the difficulty level of the each papers, each subjects? Any topic did you find more difficult?
Maths was lengthy.
Okay, maths.
Physics, I think it was easy. I attempted all.
Okay, in mathematics, any topic that made you cry?
No, all are lengthy. That's it.
Okay, all are lengthy. Okay, how many questions did you attempted?
About 62.
Okay, so are you preparing for BITSET? Sorry, BITS exam as well as MSET and all?
No,
No?
no.
So what will be your next strategy for the upcoming entrance exams?
I'll prepare for advance.
You'll be preparing for advance.
Yeah.
You are too confident to clear the cutoff?
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you like to rate?
8.5.
Could you come? 8.5, okay. Which topic did you find very difficult today?
Actually, binomial was little bit tough.
Binomial was little bit tough. Or any topic that was very dominant or very too much questions came from school?
Everything is easy.
Everything was fine. Okay, are you preparing for MSET?
Yeah, actually.
Okay, do you know that how many questions are going to come in mathematics in MSET?
20 to 30. But okay.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you like to rate today's exam?
9.
9. Where did you attempted all the mock tests before?
Yeah, grand test.
Okay, okay, that's very nice. Okay, which topics did you find very difficult today?
Difficult. Those which are I leaved very easy, those are become hard.
Okay, before the exam, what was your strategy? Like
Practicing.
revising formula or praying to God?
Revising formula.
That's great. Okay, are you preparing for MSET?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know that how many questions are going to come in mathematics in MSET?
80.
Okay, that's very nice. We are providing free mentorship session. This is a free mentorship card. You can access it anytime. It is completely free till June.
It was fine.
It was fine. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you like to rate today's exam?
6, I guess.
Yes?
6, I guess.
Okay, how was the preparation for today? How much percentage?
I have no idea about
No idea, okay. Okay, by attempting this exam, what changes would you like to make in the upcoming April session?
Maybe study a bit more harder.
Okay, okay. That's very nice. Okay.
Nice.
It was nice. On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you like to... Could you come in? Sorry. Could you come a bit here? On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you like to rate today's exam?
It is easy and logical.
It was easy and logical?
Yeah.
Okay, I find your preparation was quite well.
Yeah, good.
Okay, how many questions did you attempt today?
30 to 40. Between 30 to 40.
Okay, 30 to 40. That's very nice. And are you preparing for MSET?
Yeah.
Okay, how's the preparation going on?
No, I want to start now.
Okay, okay. Do you know that how many questions are going to come in mathematics in MSET?
80. It was moderate.
It was moderate. Could you come please? Okay, it was moderate. On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you like to rate today's exam?
7.5 or 8.
7.5 or
Yeah.
8. Okay. And how's the preparation for the upcoming exams?
Might be we should take consideration of this exam,
Uh-huh.
like how the models came. So
Okay.
should practice about those.
Okay,
models.
that's very nice. Are you preparing
Yeah.
for MSET?
Yeah, MSET also.
Okay, okay, that's very nice. We are providing this free mentorship card. This you can reach us anytime. This is completely free. So you can, if you have any doubts related to strategy or college selection or anything, you can reach us out. Okay. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you.
It was good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you like to rate today's exam?
Probably an 8.
Probably an 8. Okay. Would you come please? Sir? So, like, which topics did you find difficult, or which subject was most disturbing one?
I would say math was a bit. I mean, it's the same for all shifts.
Okay, okay. And which topics did you find more dominating, or any question did you remember which made you cry?
I didn't cry anywhere, but
Okay. Any difficult question was it took you so much time to think about it?
I can't remember anything. So.
Okay. So how much marks are you expecting for this exam?
Not sure.
Okay, that's fine. What strategy changes would you like to make in the upcoming exams compared to this?
As in preparation strategy.
Yeah, as in preparation strategy.
I think we should focus a bit more on increasing speed in math.
Okay, that's nice. It was fine.
Physics easy.
Physics was easy. Okay, in mathematics, which topic did you find more difficult?
Every topic is difficult.
Every topic is difficult. Any question did you remember which was more difficult?
No, not
No?
exactly.
Okay, so are you preparing for MSET?
As the syllabus is same for JEE mains and MSET, it's okay. MSET level is
Okay, have you given any mock test for MSET exams?
no, not yet.
Not yet. Okay, do you know that how many questions are going to come in mathematics in MSET?
Not exactly.
Not exactly. There are 80 questions that are going to come in mathematics. So guys, as you can see all the student reaction, we can see that mathematics is quite lengthy compared yesterday. But yesterday we have seen that physics came harder. But as from the 22nd session, the legacy begins and it stays the same that mathematics is difficult as well as lengthy. So we can see that all the students are getting mathematics disabled. So we need to find the solution for that. So stay tuned in our channel. We will be coming up with a great solution to all the students to make them mathematically able. Exam today?
So hard.
It was very hard. On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you like to rate today's exam?
5.
5, okay. How's the preparation today according to percentage if you say?
No preparation.
No preparation, okay. So what strategy changes would you like to make in the upcoming exams?
I'll study hard.
You'll study hard, okay. So do you know what is the exam pattern of MSET?
Yes,
Okay, like how many questions are there?
160,
In mathematics, how many questions are there?
80,
Okay, that's nice. So which topic you find today very difficult?
chemistry,
Chemistry, okay. Mathematics was fine?
easy.
भाई ट्रैफिक देखो कितना खतरनाक हो रखा है, इतने बच्चे आ रहे हैं, आज लास्ट सेशन है तो ऐसा है कि भाई सब लोग आज ही वाइंड अप कर देंगे सारा। तो हाँ ये तो करना ही पड़ेगा भाई, सही बात है। पर देखो यार कितना ट्रैफिक हो रखा है भाई, इतने ट्रैफिक में तो भाई इंटरव्यू ले पाना बड़ा ही मुश्किल काम है। बट हैट्स ऑफ टू आवर कैमरामैन नन अदर देन अभिषेक सर एज वेल एज मी। अभी हम लोग चेंज रोटेशन कर करके हम लोग यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं, तो देखते हैं आगे के इनसाइट्स भी आपको देंगे कि कैसा जा रहा है इंटरव्यू। हाउ इज एग्जाम टुडे? हाउ इज एग्जाम टुडे?
I didn't write.
Okay, you didn't write. Okay, fine. So guys, you can see यहाँ पे बहुत लोग आंसर नहीं करना चाहते, पर ठीक है, इस एज में ऐसा होता है कि लोग बहुत शाई होते हैं, पर कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग देखते हैं और स्टूडेंट्स कैसा इंसाइट देते हैं एग्जाम के बारे में। ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 1 to 10, हाउ डू लाइक टू रेट टुडेज एग्जाम?
8,
Okay, 8. And which questions did you find very difficult today? Which topic?
Physics is somewhat difficult, but
Okay, and mathematics was fine?
overall it was moderate.
Okay, what tips would you like to give to the next shift students?
Yeah, like formulas.
Okay, focus on
Do
formula.
check the formulas.
Okay, did you find any pattern similarity between 22nd paper to today's paper?
Yeah, but previous questions were repeated.
Okay, previous question was
Yeah,
repeated.
same models were repeated.
Okay. Right, okay. So today, as you can see, today they are saying that mathematics is very tough and lengthy today. So what will be your strategy for writing today's exam?
I don't know actually, but I'll try my best.
Okay, so if you take my suggestion, I will suggest that please attempt physics and chemistry first. First, have a go through of the paper, how will be the paper, then accordingly write. If you see the previous patterns, mathematics is coming a bit lengthy. So you focus on completing physics and chemistry first, then you go on for the mathematics. Okay? Thank you very much. All the very best. You will do good in your exam. All right, we are at the end of today's session, and we can see there was a plenty of traffic and lot of sunshine, and there was a lot of crowd. So we can see in today's session, the mathematics was a bit lengthier part where students find a lot of difficulty in solving the mathematics problem. But that's not the end today. So here what we can do for the upcoming sessions, we can work on the strategies that will help us out to make the other sessions better, and by preparing all the sessions smartly, we can do it. So for that, I am having a catch for you. At Goal JE, we are providing free mentorship session. So we are helping all the students who are preparing for JEE Mains second session, BITSAT, VIT EEE, MSET and all the other type of exams. So now, if your preparation was so-so, but with this mentorship session, your preparation will be the super one. And thank you very much. So today we'll be winding up here, and follow Goal JE for the upcoming engineering updates and all the tips and tricks that you can get at the very first time. And don't forget to tap the bell icon. Thank you very much and bye-bye.